Ka Jingmut Asian Banta ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC but ka Voice of the People Party VPP ha ka All Party Committee wala thau da ka sarkar jilla ban ya ther halor ka jingtmu ban wanra e ka Lynti rel layo jingtep ba ka United Democratic Party UDP kandang syong jingyalang ban syem ya ka rai la kan ya don ni amdan banta ha ka ni ka committee Ïakren ia lapan tip daw ba Titos tarwal kanyu MDC ka UDP na sora, ubaday ru Working President ka UDP Central Executive Committee, haka khat sautari ko jemang araja arpusan haka baulaong. Ba Ïakren ka kam, amla ban rai marway, nrei, kinhap ban ya syong jingya lang shwa. Nalor kata ulapan tip ru baka party ka yengs kam haka nongrem ban persya ya ka jingwan lentirel, klam da wanra ya ki lat ay jingya dana ka jingwan rung kertep ki barjala syakani ka jilla.
As a party, we will meet next week. We will decide as a party. We cannot decide a president or the working president or the general secretary alone regarding this issue to attend. You mean to say that we will attend or not the all party meeting, right?
Part of it or not?
Yeah, we will be a part of it. That will be decided in the next meeting. We will be having a next meeting by next week. One stand of the UDP is very clear that till today we oppose the railway line. Till today. Because why? There's still no mechanism, no such kind of mechanism to check influx or to control influx in the state of Meghalaya. So that's why our stand till today, we still oppose railway line. But to be a part of any meeting, to be a part of any across-table meeting, I think the party will consider it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka batau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bhak, ka jingim bakam bhak, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.